Hello, welcome in this SAP tutorial. Today we are going to discuss a very important tutorial, and this is very conceptual tutorial. If your roles are missing at any moment or any particular day, are your look after expired, then how you can check in SAP. So today we will discuss. Frequently people are saying that my roles are missing. Yesterday I'm just work on those roles, but today those roles are missing. So how you can check? For this, you have only two reasons. Either roles are assigned to particular date, okay, DD, MM, YY. Means if you check in SA01D, then you can clearly see the roles are assigned to a particular date. Then after that date, your roles are not going to working, okay. Second one, suppose any officer is working on position P1 and looking after position P2. Fine, position P2, and his original position is P1, but looking after position P2 for a certain dates. For example, for a certain dates, okay, for this particular date. Then after that, look after is also expired. Then the roles which are on this position P2 is not going to work after this date. So this is the beauty of SAP. This is the beauty of SAP, and this is also the security, also for the security purpose. Then you are not going to authorize for those roles which are working on the P2 position after particular date, because once the admin is assigned this position for this date, then by the approval of the competent authority, then you should ask to your admin section or HR section, then please assign these roles, please assign this look after for certain dates, so I will work on this position. So this is the two basic reason why the roles are going to miss on your position. You are not going to authorize for certain transaction codes. Hope you understand. So we will see in the practical way, okay. So you need to execute the transaction code, okay. How you can see your roles, okay, how you can see your roles using SU01D. You can execute the transaction code SU01D, enter your HRMS number, HR ID. You will definitely see your roles and how many roles are assigned, after how many dates roles are assigned, you will clearly see, okay. So you just check your roles frequently, you can copy your roles frequently, and on that roles there is a validity dates, okay. There is a validity dates. You should note down those validity dates, that how many day how till how much dates those roles are valid, okay. So this is the very important way you can choose. So PO13D is a transaction code. PO13D is a transaction code. PO13D is a transaction codes to check the roles on the position, because everyone is sitting on a particular position, okay. This is the position. You can check your position using PA20, okay. PA20 and enter the HRMS number, go in the organization data, you will check the position, your current position. So for example, this is my current position, DAC if you are seeing, and for this period I just want to get the record. So we will use the transaction code PO13D is roles on the position, and PA20 to check the position. Okay, in the relationship, go on the overview tab. Okay, once you go on the overview tab, then you will get the look after details. For example, you will get the look after details. Okay, see, in this case, see, he's a look after of this position from 5/7/2019 to 6/7/2019, and again look after to 27/12/2018 to 2/1/2019, this position DETA and NZ and RC. Okay, so these, the roles on this position is going to expire after this date, so that's why your roles on this position are going to expire on this date. After this date, you are not going to you are not able to utilize the roles. Okay, if if any particular officer is transferred or on leave or retired, then in the SAP, your business area works is not going to affect. So in SAP, for to some other officers, uh, HR and admin assign look after roles. Okay, see, these roles on this position are assigned, and for from this date to this date, from this date to this date. So this is also a beauty of SAP. Hope you understand. Okay, so you can regularly check your roles on the position. Okay, roles on your HRMS ID. You should also make a record of that, because after that date, after that end date, you are not going to execute the roles. Then again you have to raise the mentees in basis 01 template after the approval. Then core team will assign your roles. Okay, and one more important thing, that either your HR and admin assign the look after by taking the approval from the competent authority to your current position, then you are going to use. Okay, so check this is the related objects ID, this is the abbreviations and all. Okay, so this is the way how you can check the look after and all. Hope you understand. See, from this date to this date is looking this position AGM, HR, AD and DBCT, and from this date to this date DE tax RCE, from this date to this date AGM, HR, DNBT, so you can check this is the way how you can check this is the look after details using transaction code PO13D. PO13D. Okay, 13D to roles look after report, and these are the clearly see that this is the end date. After that date your look after expired. Okay, because look aftering is given for certain time. Okay, once a new officer will join your look after position, then your look after expire. Once officer will join after completion of his or her leave, then your look after expire. Okay, so this is the reason why there is a management system in SAP HCM, so you should check these things. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any query on your mind, or then mention in the comment section. Okay, PO13D, PA20, these are the roles, specific roles assigned to your HR and admin officers, and you should check this report by contacting to them. Okay, if you first, you should make a record of your roles using SA01D and using this position record, from which date to which date which role will assign. You should keep a record. because after that date your roles are not going to execute. Okay, then you are saying that my rules is missing. Yesterday I was working on those roles. Yesterday I have executed this transaction code. So this is the way I'm just suggesting you. Okay, so hope you and find useful this SAP tutorial. Okay, this is purely training and understanding purpose tutorial. Okay, I'm just explaining you, because once you feel any error, then it's feel very bad that how to resolve that error, how can we execute this transaction code, just fill the template and send to core team for roles assignments. No, this is not the way you can do. You just first identify in your role in systems, then you are going to raise the PIS or raise through any complaint to any system, because in SAP system there is a beauty, and this is working on rules and regulations, and because the in date is clearly here. If your look after is of for certain dates, and after that date your look after is not going to work, and roles on these position is not going to work. So this is the way. Okay, so hope you like this, and please share this knowledge with your colleagues and friends. Okay, more sharing is caring. More and more people will get benefit. Okay, and if you are new in our YouTube channel, ERP team, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, and thanks. Keep smiling. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.